Welcome to this charming home, nestled on a private tree-lined road in an established, friendly neighborhood. This country retreat in the city is conveniently located for easy access to downtown, and it's just moments to Tyron Creek Park. The wraparound covered porch invites you to relax and enjoy the garden. You'll discover a welcoming interior with generous natural light, built-ins, and a stone fireplace and hearth. You can gather around the fireplace while still being able to converse with the cooks in the kitchen. The kitchen features all-new stainless steel appliances with a 5-burner gas range and the cooktop island. It opens to the formal dining and living rooms. On the upper level, double doors open to the spacious master suite with a walk-in closet. The well-appointed master bath features a dual sink vanity and a jetted tub. This 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home has plenty of space, with 2 finished storage rooms, complete with vaulted ceilings, windows, and built-ins. The yard has beautiful landscaping, a large raised bed, blueberry and rose bushes, along with other flowering plants. Other features include a 3-car attached garage and extra parking, central air conditioning, and central vacuum. A lovingly updated home in a fantastic neighborhood near Tyron Creek Park. It's all here ready for you to call home. For more information or to schedule your personal tour, please contact Dianne Hagan with Premier Property Group at 503-358-1112.